So one of the issues about Tai Chi is, why does it have the health benefits that it has? Because we know it has lots of health benefits. And I'm just going to give a 2-minute explanation as to why I think Tai Chi and Qigong together in fusion have such a health benefit. So first of all, it's the mental calmness. We do some mind-body work to begin with, where we calm the chatter of the mind and we deepen the breathing at the same time, in through the nose, tongue on the roof of the mouth. So whenever we're doing the Qigong exercises, we're encouraging deeper breathing by having the hands above the head. As soon as you have the hands shoulder width or above, you can take in more oxygen. So there's more oxygen flowing in a calm mind. Then you've got the lengthening. So we've focused a lot on lengthening, not stretching, completely different. So this idea of lengthening the body by being more relaxed and allowing the body to lengthen almost itself. You're not really doing very much. It's just allowing the body to be without tension, shoulders down, and then in your mind, allowing the body to lengthen. So we do that, for instance, for the upper chest, with the arms behind and circling, with the chest and back all the way down, slowly opening the fingers from the tiger's claw, opening the fingers, relaxing the shoulders and lengthening. And when we do a spinal drop, where we're not trying to touch our toes, we're just letting gravity take us down. So there's a lot of lengthening in the body, and that is countering some of the compressive aspects that gravity has over the years. So there's a few things. Oxygen takes in, we're lengthening the body is without tension, and the mind is calm. Then as we get older, we use fewer muscle groups, so we get lazy. We don't use our muscle groups, and we lose the ability to balance with the proprioceptors because we don't use them. So in the Tai Chi, we're activating the balance receptors anytime we do one-legged work. But as important, there is the constant weight change of the weight coming back and forward. So you're using more muscle groups and you're activating the receptors internally. So if you regard it as a holistic exercise, you've got your mind and your body. The movement of the limbs activates the fascia, and it also activates the lymph fluid circulation. Lymph doesn't circulate unless you move your body. And lymph is involved in detoxifying the body and the immune system. So we've got more oxygen in, we've got the lymph fluids working, so detoxifying. We've got the muscle groups working, more muscle groups working, so the body is more active. And we've got that calmness that comes from just moving to a sequence. So if you regard that holistically, everything is reinforcing each other in a virtuous circle. So we're opening the body, lengthening the spine, lifting the head, improving the posture, opening the body from the inside, and then getting this constant movement under balance and control, which all helps the body stay essentially young. So you're keeping your body young even as you age by doing a little bit of regular exercise, which is really good for you in so many ways. So there, I think, is the 2-minute explanation as to why Tai Chi and Qigong together are so good for your health. So enjoy.